How to remove number in Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the number. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. So here in your profile interface, here on the right hand side, you can see the settings icon. Tap on settings. Now here in your settings interface, here on the top, you'll be able to see the option called account security. Tap on account security. Here on the top, you'll be able to see the option called mobile number phone. So tap on add or tap on edit. So this is the place where you can add or remove your phone number. So here I have not kept any phone numbers, but there will be an option to remove it directly. So you can directly remove it from here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.